So this is exactly how to fix DayZ server not showing on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So firstly, what we need to do is to select DayZ here and then click on this button on your controller. Then click on close game here as you can see. Once you have done so, go into settings on your PlayStation and click on network. Then click on settings and then click on set up internet connection. Then on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, we need to click on this specific button here and then click on advanced settings as you can see. So the DNS settings should be set from automatic to manual, so you can see if you had it set to automatic before, just change it to manual. And this is the primary DNS settings that you have to use. 8.8.8.8, this is how you have to write it by the way, and then click on done. And the secondary DNS should be set to 8.8.4.4. And then click on done here, and then click on OK, of course, don't forget to do so as well. And then just wait for it to reestablish connection here. And one more thing, we need to go into system here on our settings as well. Click on system software and then system software update and settings. Make sure that this one is up to date. If it's not, click on it and then click on update using internet here as you can see. But I already have the latest version, so I don't have to do so. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be working for you as well.